When you start Access 2003, you see the menus and the Getting Started task pane. When you start Access 2013, you see this, the Backstage. This is where you create and manage your databases. In other words, this is the new File menu. For example, you double-click a template, enter a name, and click Create. The database opens ready to use, and some of them have videos to help you get started. To create an Access app, and that's a database that runs in a web browser, look for templates with the globe icon. Click the template, enter a name, select a SharePoint 2013 server here, or enter a server name here, and click Create. To add a SharePoint server to the list that you see when you create an Access app, here's what you do. Click File, Account, Add a Service, Storage, and either SkyDrive or your company's SharePoint 2013 server. Log in with your username and password, and the server appears here. I'll talk about Access apps in the last video, so for now, let's explore the rest of the Backstage. Info is where you compact and repair and encrypt your files. Or, if you're working with an Access app, it's where you manage connections and create reports from your online data. Open shows you a list of the places you've stored files, including any cloud locations. Save does just that. It saves any changes to your database. Save As lets you choose file formats, save objects, and save a database to SharePoint. Print means what it says. You go there to print. Close closes the open database, but not Access. And finally, you start the Options dialog here, but instead of the tabs you used in 2003, you have a set of categories. Some of the categories match the tabs, like Datasheet, but some of the categories are new, and they control settings for new features, such as Document tabs, here. So that's how you create, save, and manage files. Next, we'll look at using files from previous versions.